Hey there, fellow gamers! Today, we're going to talk about two fantastic games that you absolutely need to check out, Free Fire and Free Fire 2D. First up, we have Free Fire, a game developed by ShadowTown. This game was released on September 24, 2020, and it's rated as recommended on ROG. You can play Free Fire on PC, Mac, Linux, and Android, and it's available for purchase on itch.io. Now, let's move on to Free Fire 2D, an action game developed by Kiro85. It was originally released in 2021 and is available on Android. You can purchase this game via itch.io. Both of these games offer strong playability and are definitely worth checking out. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Free Fire and Free Fire 2D and have a blast! Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting gaming content. Until next time, happy gaming!